Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please all of you subscribe my channel. Today let's make a spare roots gravy. Let's start. I will take a chickpeas, green gram, horse gram. I will take a half cup. Wash it well and putting to the water. Soak it for 8 to 10 hours. Another day, putting to the one cloth all ingredients and tie it tightly. Rest in 8 to 10 hours. After that open, spare roots will be ready. Let's start spare roots gravy. I will take one mixie jar. Add grind coconut. Add red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Add garam masala 1 tablespoon. Add sambar powder 1 tablespoon. Putting to the water. Add tamarind 1 lemon size. Fine paste. If you take one pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add some curry leaves. Add 1 chopped onion. Fry it well. Onion will be golden brown. Add 1 chopped tomato. Saute it well. Add pinch of turmeric powder. Tomato will be cooked until soft. Add to the grinded masala. Saute it well. Add to the spare roots. Mix it to the spare roots in a masala. Mix it well. Mix it 2 minutes and boiling. Add to the water your sambar consistency. add to the salt as per your taste. Boil to the 8 to 10 minutes. It will be smooth. Finally, garnishing with the coriander leaves. Ready to serve your spare roots gravy. Thank you everyone.